Hey YouTubers, just wanted to share a site that I have recently found, govplanet.com. I will post link down below in description section. If you want to buy real Humvee, check this site out. You might be able to pick one up for cheap price. I know it is an auction, but you might be lucky if you take your time and do some research. I realized that there might be a lot of work to be done to get one of those bad boys on the road, but that would be a very cool project, I think. I'm definitely planning to get one of those monsters when I have more time and make it my hobby project down the road. Whether you're a collector or fan, I think it is a cheap price to get a piece of history in your garage. Look at this bad guy, look awesome. The site has all the info to learn how to buy or sell. They can even ship it to you. Besides Humvees, they also sell a bunch of other machineries. Anyway, check it out. And no, I'm not paid to promote this site, by the way. I just found it cool and price look really good. That is all for this one. Have a good day and safe driving. Cheers.